We see islands off the shore of the Mississippi Delta. They resemble sandy beaches, but are actually out in the ocean. Why is a beach found here, out in the ocean, while in other areas there's no sand at all? We've landed the Terravator here on the edge of the ocean, on a thin island made of beach sand and broken shells. Let's take a look around and see if we can understand more about why this island is here. The island is made up of sands full of broken shells, as well as fine, sugary sand. This sediment does not look anything like the sediment we've seen recently in the Delta's marshes, but more like what we would see at a beach on shorelines of islands around the world. The sediment becomes muddier as we move toward the marshes, and sandier as we move toward the ocean. The ocean can be seen with its waves bashing the island, and landward of the island the water is brackish, continuing that mix of fresh and salt waters. The island is long, slender, a string of sand almost parallel to the shore. In a few places, inlets have been cut by tides moving in and out. These appear to allow water to move between the ocean and the delta during high tide. Barrier islands are swaths of sand, shells, and mud that are parallel to the shoreline. They often sit away from the shoreline and help protect the coast from the effects of waves and storms like hurricanes. Barrier islands are a critical part of a healthy delta ecosystem. They must be replenished with sand, though, throughout time, as the delta is slowly sinking and buried beneath the waves. Coarse sand and seashells like these are important ingredients for creating a healthy barrier island system. This type of coarse sediment is found here locally as organisms grow in the waters here in southeastern Louisiana, producing shells, which are broken up and form this part of the beach. Massive amounts of sand in the Mississippi River system are no longer being supplied to the ocean due to dams in the Great Plains and Midwest parts of North America. As a result, this is now a sand-starved world today, and barrier islands like these are quickly disappearing. The loss of shoreline in Louisiana is staggering from a lack of new sediment being discharged here in recent times. Over 200 miles of shoreline disappears every day in Louisiana. A football field of wetlands vanishes into open water every 100 minutes.